Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades doing a day trading recap how I made 40% on SPY put contracts today. So I'm not gonna just show you where I got in and where I got out, but I'm gonna fully explain. So with the premium group in the course, as often as I can, I release either a live trading or a day trading recap video. So I'm going to go into as much explanation as I do in the course doing the day trading recap videos, and I'm going to use this YouTube video as the one I'm putting in the course. So I'm going to be providing as much content as I can into this video. So if you're hesitant or if you're hesitating about watching this video, please pay attention. Please take notes. I'm going to talk about everything. This is going to be course content level here because I know this is SPY and the group trades SPY. So I thought, you know what? Let's talk about SPY just a little bit more. So as always in the morning, we look at pre-market notes. So this is the pre-market notes from today. We notice that there's no important news, so we're not noticing anything that's going to be major affecting the market. Then we notice that SPY is in a support zone right here, in between 268.30 or 35 and 269 right here. It says we may see a bounce into 269 or a little above, then short. That was my estimation for the day. Now, why did I see that on pre-market notes? Well, because ever since the past, we've been uptrending, making these ranges and getting higher. We hit almost this triple top here, 1, 2, 3, before we actually started to reverse here. We saw a 10% continuation play here to the downside-ish on SPY, and then we started to actually push up and get rejected at these previous support levels so that we're pushing down. This shows that, hey, we're in more of a pullback here. With it selling off after hours, we're noticing that we're having some more momentum pulling to this support zone. So seeing that we have here a high here on SPY pre-market, and we're also seeing that we have a long-term support here, and we're starting to break through this. If we can get up above here, this is our crucial area of resistance. Now that we're pushing into here on SPY, we just gotta watch out. But you see, we knew that we're selling off. Momentum is to the downside. So if we see this push up here, we know that we can see a push down. And we also are seeing, you know, this creation of higher or lower highs in the market on SPY. So with that all together, above 269 was the perfect time to short. So looking at it on the 1 day, 1 minute chart, or on the 10-day 1 minute, specifically 1 minute, we were getting inputs here. I was alerting out to the group on the live alerts here that it looks like I was picking up SPY puts here at around 833, and I was slowly adding to the position as it went up, and we got out at 847. So if we look here at 833, I was adding here, and as it went up, I was adding, and I was adding, and I was trying to add as much as I could. I was only able to get in 2 contracts, which was so sad. I was adding more and more, or at least as much as I could. And then we started seeing Facebook and Apple start to roll over. That rolling over led to this test of this crucial support. How did we know this was support? This is where we were going to check if we were going to get out of this put position or hold it, because this is where previous support was, 269.10, and we also have the EMA here, and we also have the VWAP here. This is 3 levels of support. So after we started to show that we're going to break through this level of support, we waited to see it drop. This huge momentum to the downside is not something that should be overlooked. So we didn't sell here on this candle, but we waited, and we saw this rollover, the continuation of this candle, a continuation of selling down here, right here. We saw some support at the open of SPY, so that's where we exited puts right here for SPY at around 40% profit. Other people made 48%. Then we saw this push up end of VWAP in the exponential moving average. Took it short again here on SPY down to the downslide, a slow fade. VWAP again, fade downside. So that was our trades on SPY today and the group. So we made, someone made over 140%. I think I can actually pull these up again right here, screenshot 140%. Think I'm done. I mean, it's just understanding the understanding the patterns here, understanding that we have overhead resistance on SPY, and understanding that these will act as resistance on the way down. So seeing that was huge, and understanding SPY. If we push up into a resistance zone when it's weak, we should short into strength, not short into weakness. When you're shorting up here, when you're buying puts up here, your risk is this. Your profit is all the way down here. When you're buying puts and you're chasing to this downside movement, you're only profiting this much while you're risking all this. So understand, you short into strength, you short into strength, you short into strength, and you short into strength. That's how you make money on puts. Just like you buy low and sell high, you sell high and you buy low. That's how shorting works. All right, guys, I hope that makes sense. Now, this is the quality of content I provide. We also looked at volume here, seeing that when we pushed up into VWAP and EMA, the volume here is showing, hey, we don't have volume here to stop this move. So seeing that we have less volume into this push, showing that, hey, we're not going to stop the stock here, stop SPY from moving up to the upside. Because if there was movement here, then something would have happened. No volume shows, hey, I'm allowing SPY to get rejected here, and I'm allowing it to fall. Also here, you see the volume was up high coming up to the VWAP. Then when it's at VWAP here, volume starts to dissipate. This dissipating volume allows it saying, hey, I'm okay with it falling more. So that's what we're seeing here. Every time we get up, volume starts to shrink, like, hey, I'm okay with it falling here. That's basically what it's saying. Then when we start to see the volume pick up on these moves, we know, hey, we're at the support, volume's picking up. We're looking at a reversal. It's time to cover our puts. So again, guys, that is the recap on SPY. I hope it made sense. I hope you're able to make money today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your weekend.